Good morning, boys and girls. I know that everybody had a long weekend. I hope it was relaxing. You enjoyed the sun. Nobody got too much sun. I know that Monday you didn't have anything new on Schoology because it was Memorial Day, and Tuesday you didn't have anything new on Schoology because it was Miss May, Miss Brown, and myself had to learn ourselves as teachers. And so let's get started. You have a short week, so let's put all of our effort in. This week we're going to be learning about vowel diphthongs, and this is the ow sound. Everybody say ow, ow, like you're getting hurt, ow. And there are two letter combinations we're going to be talking about this week, OW and OU. So let's go ahead. OU says ow. Say that. Say OU says ow. I heard you. Great job. So in this word, I know OW says ow, owl. Ow, town. So OW says ow. Let's look at this. OU can also say ow. So this would be ow, loud. Now I know that OU can make different sounds from ow, but this is one of the things we can try if we don't have a word, or if we come across a word we don't know. So if I see OU, I can say ow and see if it works. Let's go ahead. Ow, now. OU says out, out. Let's look at this. Ow, brown. So let's go ahead and do this one together to get started. And what does the D say? D. Good job. What is the OU? I'm sorry, OW? Ow. N. So it's D, ow, down. Okay, so same as last week and the week before that. I want you to be decoding these words. I will help you out, but first I want you to try. So remember these two things are going to help you. OU says what? Exactly, ow. What does OW say? Ow. So let's go ahead and get started. Ow, cow. Ow, how. Ow, chow. Ow, bow. Ow, brow. Ow, brown. So remember, I want to hear you saying this out loud. The way we become better readers is by practicing. And if you are blending these out before I say them, you're practicing, so you're going to become a better reader. Ready? Let's go ahead. Out, out. Out, pout. Out, proud. Out, shout. Out, scout. Out, sprout. Ouch, ouch. Out, about. Pound, pound. Ow, plow. Ow, clown. Ow, allow. Excellent. These are a little bit longer. Some of them add a prefix or suffix at the end. So let's figure out what this word is first. Cloud. Now here's the same thing, but it has a Y at the end. So what word would this be? Cloudy. Great. Let's figure out this word. Ground. Now this adds a suffix at the end. So what is this word? Grounded. Excellent. Let's figure out the next one. Mouth. So this one, we know that part, then it adds on that suffix. What is this word? Mouthful. Excellent. Let's blend this word. Count. Count. Now this one, again, adds on a suffix. What's a suffix? Okay, so what's the whole word? Counter. Let's figure out this one. Frown. Now this one adds on this. What's the word? Frowned. Crowd. And again, we have the root word and we have a suffix. What word is it? Crowding. Let's go ahead. Power. Chowder. And again, if we know that ER is at the end, we can pretend it's not there, figure out this part, and then just add on at the end. So let's do that with this one. Let's pretend that that ER is not there, and let's figure out this first part, because we know ER is going to be its own syllable. So let's go ahead and figure out this first part. Out. So we know the first syllable is out. We know that this is the second syllable. What would be the whole word? Outer. Good job. So let's go ahead and pretend this is not there. Okay? Let's figure out what the first syllable is. Browse. So now we add on the ER. What's the word? Browser. Okay, let's go ahead and again, let's pretend the ER is not there. Flound. Add on that ER. What's the word? Flounder. Now here with the S, actually it's ERS. So let's pretend that's not there. Flow. What's that? Add it on. The word is flowers. Hey, by yourself, you can do it out loud. Read line 7 and see if you can figure out some of these words. Now, I'm going to give you a suggestion. See if you can figure out what the first syllable is, or the first part of the word, because these are all compound words. Right here, it's supposed to be D-I-S-H, all is one, but there's a weird space there, just so you know. So I'm going to give you a second to do that. Go ahead and read line 7. Okay, what's the first part of this word? Count down. So the word is countdown. First part of this word? Second syllable? Houseboat. First syllable? Second syllable? Full word. Eyebrow. First syllable? Second syllable? Whole word, download. First syllable, second syllable, whole word, dish towel. First syllable, second syllable, full word, inbound. Go ahead and read line number 8 by yourself, and then we'll read it all together. Okay, let's read it with me. Do you want to walk around downtown now? And I hope that you realize that there was a question mark, so that's why I kind of said now, it was a question. Go ahead and read it as fluent as you can on your own, out loud. Excellent. Read number 9 by yourself. Okay, let's read it as a group. It was cloudy while the rain was falling. So go ahead and read this as fluently as you can. Excellent. Boys and girls, I hope that this helped, and I hope that you can remember OU and OW say ow. So when we see those in reading, you can say, if you don't know the word, I know OW says ow, I know OU says ow. So you can try those out when you're blending words. Tomorrow you're going to do a sort, and then Friday you are going to do a word hunt. So we're going to be working on that ow sound for the next 2 days. I hope you all have a wonderful day. I miss you all very, very much.